The UN has passed a resolution on North Korea's human rights violations, something that has been adopted for the past 20 years in a row. What's notable this year, South Korea returns to back in the resolution as a co-sponsor. Choi Min-jung reports.
The Human Rights Council has passed a resolution denouncing North Korea's widespread human rights violations. This year's resolution, adopted on Tuesday, was co-sponsored by South Korea for the first time in 5 years. The resolution contains demands for Pyongyang to respect freedom of speech and allow independent media. It also calls for the regime to reconsider a rule which blocks cultural content from outside its borders. In 2020, North Korea adopted a new law that bans people from distributing or watching media from South Korea and other countries. Violators are subject to heavy punishments, including 10 years of hard labor. The resolution also urges the North to provide relevant information on the whereabouts of foreigners detained or kidnapped in the country. This reflects Seoul's demand for clarification on the death of a South Korean fisheries official who was shot by Pyongyang's Coast Guard near the border in 2020. South Korea's foreign ministry welcomed the adoption of the resolution. It said the resolution asks the North to acknowledge crimes and rights abuses that have occurred within the country. However, North Korea rejected the resolution, calling it a document carrying political conspiracy. The Council has been adopting a resolution condemning North Korea's human rights abuses since 2003. South Korea did not co-sponsor a resolution from 2019 to 2022 under the previous administration, as it sought to avoid tensions and resume dialogue with the North. The Yoon administration, meanwhile, has taken a more proactive stance in dealing with Pyongyang's human rights issues, as it co-sponsored a UN General Assembly resolution last December for the first time in 4 years. Choi Min-jung, Arirang News.